The journey of honeybees from flower to hive is a remarkable odyssey that intertwines the intricacies of biology, ecology, and chemistry. This journey begins in the flower-filled meadows and gardens where honeybees, driven by an innate sense of purpose, embark on a quest for nectar and pollen. The process of honey making is a testament to their extraordinary efficiency and the crucial role they play in the ecosystem. Honeybees are equipped with specialized adaptations that make them adept foraging machines. Their bodies are covered in fine hairs that are perfect for collecting pollen. When a bee lands on a flower, these hairs pick up pollen grains, which are then transferred to the pollen baskets on their hind legs. This process not only helps in the pollination of plants, but also ensures that the bees carry the essential nutrients back to their hive. Nectar, the sweet liquid produced by flowers, is a primary source of energy for bees. As they extract nectar, honeybees use their long, tube-like proboscis to siphon the liquid from the flower. The nectar is then stored in a special stomach, known as the honey stomach, which is separate from their digestive stomach. Once the nectar is collected, the bee returns to the hive, a communal home where the magic of honey making truly begins. Upon arrival, the bee regurgitates the nectar into the mouth of a fellow worker bee, a process known as trophallaxis. This exchange of nectar among bees serves several purposes. It helps in the distribution of nectar, facilitates communication within the hive, and begins the transformation of nectar into honey. The receiving bee then processes the nectar by adding enzymes from its own saliva, which break down the complex sugars in the nectar into simpler sugars. This enzymatic action is a crucial step in honey production as it affects the flavor, texture, and preservation of the final product. The partially processed nectar is then deposited into hexagon-shaped beeswax cells within the hive. These wax cells, built by worker bees using their own secreted wax, are used to store the nectar as it undergoes further transformation. To ensure that the nectar becomes honey, the bees fan their wings vigorously to evaporate excess moisture from the nectar. This evaporation process reduces the water content of the nectar, thickening it and creating honey. The consistency of honey is a result of this evaporation and the continued action of the enzymes introduced earlier. Once the honey has reached the desired consistency, the bees seal the honey-filled cells with a thin layer of beeswax, preserving the honey for future use. This honey serves as a crucial food source for the hive, particularly during the winter months when foraging is not possible. The sealed cells provide a long-term storage solution that ensures the colony has enough sustenance to survive when resources are scarce. The life within the hive is a complex society organized around roles and responsibilities. Worker bees, which are all female, perform the majority of tasks including foraging, nursing larvae, and maintaining the hive. Drones, the male bees, have a singular role to mate with the queen. The queen, the hive's central figure, is responsible for laying eggs and ensuring the continuity of the colony. Each bee's role is crucial for the overall functioning of the hive and the survival of the colony. The hive's organization is a marvel of natural engineering. Beeswax, produced by special glands in the worker bee's abdomen, is used to build the intricate hexagonal cells that make up the hive's structure. These cells are not only efficient for storing honey and pollen, but also serve as brood chambers where the queen lays her eggs. The hive's temperature is meticulously regulated by the bees to ensure the proper development of the brood. Worker bees use their bodies to generate heat by vibrating their flight muscles, maintaining a constant temperature of around 34 to 35 degrees Celsius, which is ideal for the development of bee larvae. The journey of honeybees from flower to hive also highlights their role as pollinators. As they collect nectar and pollen, honeybees inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating the reproduction of flowering plants. This process is essential for the production of fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Without honeybees, many of the crops that humans rely on for food would face significant challenges. The decline in honeybee populations due to factors such as habitat loss, pesticide use, and disease poses a threat to global food security and biodiversity. In addition to their ecological importance, honeybees have significant economic value. The honey they produce is a valuable commodity, enjoyed for its sweetness and health benefits. Beyond honey, beeswax is used in a variety of products, including candles, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals. The beekeeping industry, which manages honeybee colonies for commercial purposes, contributes to agriculture and the economy in numerous ways. The journey of honeybees from flower to hive is a testament to the complexity and beauty of nature. From their precise foraging techniques to the sophisticated processes within the hive, honeybees exemplify the wonders of the natural world. Their role in pollination and honey production underscores their importance in sustaining ecosystems and human societies. Understanding and appreciating this journey can inspire efforts to protect and conserve honeybee populations, ensuring that these remarkable insects continue to thrive and support the delicate balance of our environment.